I loved the challenges that this movie seems to make. That you don't have to buy every government promise or every leader promise of a better society or a better humanity if you'll just let Big Brother, so to speak, control your life a little bit more because they might know better than you.
It is a film about choice, and it is a film about freedom.
It's Channel Mom with Jenny Dean Schmitz. We're here for you.
This was the original. The Giver is the mother of Divergent, Hunger Games, all that material that's out there.
Yes.
You know, the thing about The Giver as a film is it's a fun summer blockbuster that makes you think, that really talks to us and it's a whole family experience, and there's not a lot out there like that right now. So it's a film I'm very proud of.
And Nikki, I want to talk to you about this. I loved the challenges that this movie seems to make. That you don't have to buy every government promise or every leader promise of a better society or a better humanity if you'll just let Big Brother, so to speak, control your life a little bit more because they might know better than you. I liked its very raw portrayal of things that hinted at, and you can correct me if I'm wrong here, but hinted at abortion and euthanasia. This is really tough stuff that's going to make some politically driven folks very uncomfortable. Was it tough to portray those kind of politically incorrect issues, or did you have a blast doing it? Did you really want to put that on the table?
We definitely wanted to put everything on the table, and you know, I wouldn't use the word incorrect. I mean, I think discussion is important, and it's what we lack in this country right now.
Yeah.
I like to say about this film that this represents what none of us want.
Yes.
You know, and we believe this is where the two sides should meet, because it is a film about choice, and it is a film about freedom, and that's what everybody wants. So let's meet there. So our hope is that it will breed discussions, and you'll bring to it where you come to it, but understand maybe that we all really want the same thing at the end of the day, because I certainly believe that. And, you know, why this movie works so well for me is that you have two opposing philosophies. As you said, sort of the philosophy of would you give it all up? Would you let a government control everything to have no pain, no sorrow, and ultimately no love? And it works because you have an actress like Meryl Streep, who is just so brilliant in the role of the chief elder, selling this philosophy, and there are moments where you almost believe her.
Yeah.
And that being, you know, the emotional, raw portrayal by Jeff Bridges, and the two of them at the end of this movie go head-to-head in a philosophical debate that I think is so important to be discussing right now.
Yeah, and to have folks like that doing it was a big help because they had a depth that brought real legitimacy to the argument, and it was compelling.